Hey, all you 4 million human beings out there. My name is Solstice Elliott, and what I would like for you to know is that love really is the answer. It was 1998 when I finally found a good therapist, and I realized that the umbrella issue for me was that I didn't love myself. And if I love myself, everything else that I was suffering with would fall into place. So how do you know that you love yourself? Well, I'd like to challenge you to look in the mirror and say to yourself, Solstice, I love you so much. I really love you so much. And when you feel that warm, tingly feeling flowing through your body, that's when you know. And all those unloving people that have done unloving things to you, they do that because they don't love themselves. They don't feel love. So how did I love myself? By healing my wounded inner child. And that's where my core beliefs came from, feeling worthless, and all the other mistaken beliefs that made me feel depressed and anxious. If you really want to be the change that you want to see in the world, love yourself.